Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over my December Eyescream beauty box. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription box that is all makeup, all full size. It features indie brands and I have been enjoying this box since I got it. I want to say it's around $30 a month. I will confirm up here. I've been watching other creators do these videos and I was looking for a new subscription box. So if you're curious to see what I got, I'll try them on, give my first impressions, then just keep watching. I do have a little bit of my makeup on already. I have my foundation, concealer, powder, brows. I have my eyeshadow primer on. I just realized I did not dust away my under eye bake. Oops. There we go. I know what is in my box, so let's dive in. Cute little packaging. It says the best things in life are sweet and Eyescream beauty. There is a little card inside that's going to tell me everything that I got, a little bit of a description and the retail price. And of course, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Some are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I make a small commission, and I want to thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I'm going to start with any face products that I got, and then I will end with the palette. The palette is usually my favorite part. The first thing I'll pull is a Duochrome highlighter by Charmacy Global. It retails for $15. Light up the room like a Christmas tree topper with this stunning Duochrome highlighter that shifts between celestial shades. This appears to be the shade 614. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm assuming you can go on either side of this. Feels like a really nice texture. Blues, purples. I am not going to put a purple and blue highlighter on my cheeks. So I'm going to hold on to this. Maybe I can use it for my eyes. This next item is from Beauty Creations. This is the Bratz Liquid Tint. Even brats can be on the nice list. Use this tint on your cheeks, lips, or eyes for a buildable, blendable flush of color that feels lightweight, hydrating, and lasts all day. Bold pigment, natural finish. It's perfect for channeling that brat's energy. Retails for $7. They did send me a lip product, so I'm going to use this on my cheeks. This looks like a usable color. Ooh, very lightweight. I'll grab my e.l.f. stain and tint brush and I'll just swipe this on my hand and let's see what we get. Just adding some more. There we go. I was being too light-handed, if you can believe that. Looks a little glowy right now. I'll see if it dries down. But the shade is very pretty. Very thin texture. I think I like that. Next, I have a lip product. This is the Creamy Lipstick by the British Museum and ZC Cosmetics. Retails for $24. This luxurious, museum-worthy lipstick glides on like velvet, delivers show-stopping color that lasts through every holiday toast. The creamy formula keeps lips hydrated during chilly winter, while rich pigment makes a statement at every festive gathering. The packaging is really pretty. And wow, look at that. It's a really neat texture. And then there's a button on either side that you pull, and here is the lipstick. Oh, how cute. It's a heart. Can you see that? It looks a little bit warm upon swatch, and I brought a cooler toned lip liner. Let me go grab a different shade of lip liner. I'll go ahead and put the lipstick on without lip liner first. I'm hoping I don't struggle because it's a heart shape. We shall see. Well, that is not easy to put on with that shape. Let me go ahead and add, this is my Revlon Color Stay Nude lip liner. Put a little shade back into my lips. There we go. That looks a little bit better. It's a very warm color. Looks nice. Very smooth and creamy going on the lips. I did go ahead and blot it. The next item is another product from Charmacy. This is the Multichrome Eyeshadow Gel. It retails for $24. Watch your eyes transform with every blink thanks to this mesmerizing multichrome gel that shifts colors like northern lights dancing across a winter sky. Now, I do have an eyeshadow palette here, so I'm not sure that I'm going to use this today. This is what it looks like inside. I'm going to take a little brush. This was from Unit, and it definitely has a jelly kind of texture. Wow, that is very pretty. See that shift? Let me know if you're interested. And now for the item I was most excited about. I got an email from JennDBeauty telling me that I had a choice between two palettes. These are both from JennDBeauty. I've never used a palette from this brand before. You could choose the Diosa Volume 1 or Volume 2. I chose Volume 2, and it says, unwrap goddess level glamour this holiday season with the Diosa palettes. These sleek palettes by JennDBeauty are absolutely stunning, featuring 9 duochrome, multichrome shades, plus 3 essential mattes to complete any look. And it gives you a pro tip saying that you can use the matte shade as a smoky eye base and then layer the duochrome or multichrome on top for maximum dimensional effect. I chose Volume 2. It's a nice shiny black plastic packaging. There is a protector and a mirror. Nice big mirror in there. And here are what the shades look like. You have 3 mattes and then all of these shimmers. I think we need to swatch. I'll start with the mattes. I love a good white. Got a nice gray. And then a nice inky black. And now we'll start with the shimmers. Very pretty. I'm gonna try this smoky look. So I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E54 and I'm gonna go into this black shade at the bottom. And let's see what I can do. I'm definitely tapping off my brush because I do not want black eyeshadow all over my face. But of course, typically, if I were to use this palette, I would do my eyes first. Now I'm just pulling that up a little bit, wiping off my Sigma switch, and then I'm going to go into this gray shade. Just use that to blend back into that black. And just pressing that in. I'm going to take my little JennDBeauty E05 and take that black underneath. Same brush I wiped off, going in a little bit underneath that with the gray. Now I'm going to go into this more copper and gold shade right here. I'm tapping off my finger and let's see what we get. Wow. Definitely not what I thought I was going to get. I have committed. Let me do the other eye off camera. I'll be right back. I'm back. I did not put shimmer on this eye because I thought just for funsies I'd use another one of these shimmers. I think I'll go into this one here. It's a little bit brighter. Looks kind of like a teal and blue situation. I think I'm figuring out that the black base underneath really changes things. This one is green. But gorgeous. I'm gonna go put a nude lip on, add my mascara and liner, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. I'm back. I went ahead and added liner and mascara, changed out the lip. Do you prefer the purple or the green? I think this is a fun palette, and I'm curious how much the base changes. For example, here is the white, and I'll put the shade that I have on this eye over it. I mean, that changes the whole look into a pastel type. So, same shimmer, just different base. Let me know if you want to see more. As far as my thoughts on the box, I will not use this highlighter on my face. This eyeshadow here, I can't see me using. The lipstick, a little bit orange. The Bratz blush, I could see me using. I will pick this one up again. And of course, as per usual, the palette is the star of the show. This Chantecaille is really, really pretty. I will not have time to put up another look before I get this video up, but please let me know if you want to see more and I will play with it some more. I am pleased with my box. I'm happy that I get the Eyescream Beauty subscription. If I pay $30 a month to get a gorgeous palette and a blush, it's going to be worth it. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.